Of course, by the time I discovered this,
Symbios from Bristol Street Motors Renault.
Bold looks, big on space.
With up to 630-mile range on a single tank.
Packed with technology, including voice-controlled Google Assistant.
And available to drive away with payments from just $189 a month.
Yes, just £189 a month for the new Symbios Full Hybrid.
Book your test drive now at Bristol Street Motors Renault in Nottingham, Derby, Mansfield and Leicester. Personal contract hire by a credit broker and receive commission to arrange finance for you. Initial rental $1,999, term 24 months. Based on test conditions and may vary. T's and C's apply.
Players Postcode Lottery have raised over £1.4 billion for good cause. For good charities like Battersea, Ellen MacArthur Cancer Trust, Trussell, Ending Hunger Together, and Riding for the Disabled Association. See, even Poppy says thanks, because what the world needs now is you. PPL manages lotteries for 20 charities. A minimum of 33% of each ticket price goes to charity. Not available in Northern Ireland. Conditions apply. 18+.
And you join us now with this penalty shootout locked at an unbelievable 19-all.
Yeah, I hope these fans haven't got a train to catch.
2019 now! Oh, this is going to be a long night.
You're telling me.
Last train home won't wait for penalties. Better get a travel lodge. Find king-size comfort up and down the country at travellodge.co.uk.
You witnessed a death. How flash on you?
It was. I'm sick of smiling face everywhere.
All of you.
I need to stop it!
3 days to kill you.
It's now available on 40X, Sir 18.
The quality service and charity you want, the price you want to pay. Click franknighton.co.uk.
Keep things smooth by making the move to Universal Credit. It won't be automatic, so look out for your letter telling you what you need to do in writing. Ignoring it could even stop your payments. But don't worry, there's lots of support available, like a dedicated phone line, independent advice, and financial protection to help with your move. To find out more, visit gov.uk/UCMove. Eligibility criteria apply. Hello, you.